I wanted to give you an example of how you should discuss and present your apps to the rest of the class. The best way of doing this is by starting off with an app that I have found incredibly useful. Don't worry, you'll have all semester to come up with some great apps to share. When you're ready to share your app, post it below. So today we're going to look at Playposit. Playposit is a free and incredibly useful app that allows teachers to create video trivia games. These trivia games can be useful for a myriad of applications in the classroom. Some examples exclude work for early finishers, pre-assessments, acquiring foundational knowledge, assessment review, and friendly academic competition. In my classroom, I use this program to help my students understand key concepts that are needed for skill acquisition. I've also used this to incentivize some of my harder to motivate students by giving them an opportunity to play games after they have successfully completed their work. So this is how it works. First thing you'll need to do is log in to Playposit. In this case, they will accept your Google login. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Google login to sign in and just accept these permission requests. And this is what the interface looks like. Up here is, of course, your name, how many bulbs you have, and your active students. So they refer to them as bulbs. The bulbs are created by clipping YouTube videos on any topic and creating a multiple choice, free response, or fill in the blank question. The process is simple. You title your video, you search for your video, you crop the selection of the video that you want to use, and you select the question type. Once you're finished, you can assign the bulbs to your class, and it's that simple. So here's the interface. You can see here's my name, and of course the profile that I have set up. And then here's my video bulbs. I have 3 video bulbs that I'm working with. And then I can design my video bulb. If I click on design my video bulb, I just have to copy and paste the video URL in there. So I go to YouTube or whatever site that I'm going to use the video from, copy that video's URL and post it in there. I can also use pre-made bulbs. Once I have my video posted, I can go in and I can view the bulb by clicking on it. And when I click on it, so this is a video that I've used in other classes, and this is just showing the basic interface of iMovie 11, and I've said that right here. So what I can do is I can actually add a question at this time marker, and this will be a multiple choice question. And you can see it's got automatic spell check and it's ready to go. So the first answer, of course, iMovie 11, and then iMovie 12, and then I just continue adding the answers. So this is the this is how you set the answers up, and then you can choose the place of where that question is going to pop up, and I can add additional answers there. And of course, I can randomize the answer order. And I can delete answers if I need to. So if I need to go through and delete it, I can do that as well. And I can even have audio answers as well, which is nice. So once I've got my questions set up, then I just go ahead and finish the build. And then I'll assign it to my class. So here's my question, and then, I'll go back and I'll assign it. And then here's my technology class that I've assigned, and I can assign it to the date that it's going to start. Now, to set up a class, you're going to go back to the main area here where you can add students. You can add a class or upload students, and this can be done through like an Excel spreadsheet or something along those lines. So I can add a class here, technology class that I've created, and then I can assign the bulbs to that class. And then once I've assigned the bulbs to the class, I can then go into my class and actually view lesson analytics. And I can see how often the students have responded, how many answers they got correct, what their overall score was, and it's broken down within the lesson analytics. And that's it. That's how you use Playposit in your classroom.